Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add video effects to your videos on TikTok. So just press next and select the edit button, which is under the download button, and then you're just going to select the effects button and you're just going to select the effect that you want. There's a lot you can choose from. There's like these cool like retro kind of effects. There's like this really cool dance effect. There's like this butterfly wings one. There's this one. You can choose from a lot. There's new, visual, motion, sticker, transition, and split. Let's go to like motion one and see. That one's pretty cool, but I pretty much like this one. There's also this sticker one, which I think has to like detect the face. There's also like this hat on, but again has to detect the face. So press the checkmark button and just slide the effect till the end of the video if you'd like to. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!